Will there be a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra? The answer is yes. However, the development of this technology has been slowed for a variety of reasons, including the worldwide economic crisis. In that case, what's the status of this gadget, and when can we expect it to be made available to the public? Join us today as we talk about these. Release date. Every year, Samsung, the world's second-largest tablet manufacturer, introduces new high-end tablets. The Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra were released earlier this year as part of Samsung's Galaxy Tab S8 series. The Galaxy Tab S9 may not be out until the beginning of the next year. The Elec claims that Samsung has put off production of the Galaxy Tab S9 line. It also implies that the release of the tablets has been postponed.
So sad.
We'll go into the reasons for the delay shortly. The development was supposed to begin in December, but it won't begin until the beginning of the new year. While the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are expected to debut in the second half of 2023, the Galaxy Tab S9 series may follow shortly after. However, the expected starting price for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra 5G is between $1,100 and $1,200. Why it delayed? Samsung's product leak rates have been high in recent product cycles. If there are no online rumblings about a product, it is probably being held back or scrapped. For instance, the Exynos 2300 has received almost little publicity, despite the fact that Samsung may yet use it in certain Galaxy S23 variants. Similarly, there has been a noticeable lack of information on the Galaxy Tab S9 family in the leak community. But we will update you as soon as we have more information, so subscribe now. Samsung's tablets haven't been as successful as its smartphones, but it still dominates the Android smartphone market. Samsung's high-end Galaxy Tab S series has failed to make a dent in the market. This might be due to the widespread appeal of Apple's iPad range or the availability of cheaper flagship-grade Android tablets. It took 18 months between the release of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and the release of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and we may expect the same kind of delay before the release of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. According to the Elec, Samsung is delaying the launch of the Galaxy Tab S9 due to a weakening market and a broader economic slowdown, albeit the publication by the Elec does not provide any details on the length of the delay. Another explanation is that Samsung is holding off to boost demand. As reported by Android Headlines, the company has reportedly delayed the supposed Galaxy Tab S9 to a dip in demand for tablets amid global economic uncertainty. It has also been speculated that the current worldwide economic crisis is to blame for this holdup, as well as a drop in demand for goods like tablets. While the release date of the Galaxy Tab S8 was announced in February 2022, it is unclear when Samsung plans to release the Galaxy Tab S9. If we wait until February 2023, we probably won't see the updated model. If Samsung holds off on releasing the Galaxy Tab S9 until August 2023, it will likely debut with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. Predicting what features Samsung has planned for the Galaxy Tab S9 tablets or how many models will fill the range is difficult. However, we will be discussing models, so stay tuned. Models. Similarly to the Galaxy Tab S8, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is expected to come in 3 different variants: a basic model, a plus model, and an ultra model with a massive 14.6-inch display. However, current tablet sales are falling, which may be attributed to a number of factors, including the worldwide pandemic we all experienced and the financial restraints of many customers. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 hasn't been the subject of many leaks or speculations, but we can probably expect the same kinds of speed and performance improvements as in previous models, along with maybe improved display technology. We also have some details on the technical specifications, so stay tuned for that. Specs. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 would have powered all 3 tablets had they been released in December 2022. This SoC's enhanced NPU, ASP, and GPU make it a great complement to a tablet running Android, which often requires every bit of processing power it can get.
That's what I'm talking about.
Like their forerunners, you can anticipate them to provide high refresh rate LCD and OLED displays. It's also possible that enhanced interaction with the Samsung ecosystem, as well as additional S Pen and One UI features, are in the works. In a nutshell, there is not a lot of attention being paid to the Tab S9 Ultra. While the launch of the Pixel 7 and Pixel Watch undoubtedly diverted some of the spotlights from other companies like Samsung. Anyway, Samsung is still hard at work on its Galaxy S23 series, which is expected to debut in the first quarter of next year. So watch our next video to find out more.